Good day, everyone. I am Manimar Itihano. I will be presenting the first part of this presentation together with my group mates, Richard Vincent Gonzalez, Edison Tamayo, and Renel Batongino. Banks receive thousands of applications daily. Manual review is slow, subjective, and error-prone. Machine learning can automate loan approval predictions. Our system uses KNN, SVM, and ANN algorithms. The business problem to be addressed is slow loan processing, inconsistent decision making, human bias and errors, loss of qualified customers, and the goal is to faster and more objective loan approvals. So the objective of this study is to pre-process and analyze loan data, implement KNN, SVM, and ANN models, compare model performances, identify the best performing algorithm. So the data set used for training are 614 labeled records, while the testing data sets use 367 unlabeled records. The features include income, education, loan amount, credit history, and property area. So the target variable is loan status, should be Y approved and N rejected. So the data pre-processing. So before training the models, we perform several pre-processing steps to improve the data quality. So first one is we fill the missing values using median and mode. We applied one hot encoding. We converted yn yes or no into 10. So y became 1 and n became 0. We use standard scaler to normalize numerical values and improve model performances. We removed the loan ID column and the data set was divided into 80% for training to 80% for testing with certification to maintain balanced classes. So the system workflow will be the user will input applicant data, then the system will pre-process the data, train machine learning models, generate predictions, compare the performance, and display the approval result. So the KNN model, KNN meaning K nearest neighbors, KNN works by identifying the nearest neighbor of a loan applicant based on a feature similarity. So the model tested differently from K values from 1 to 10, the prediction based on majority voting, and it is simple and easy to implement. Well, the SVM model uses RBF kernel, finds optimal separating hyperlane, handles nonlinear relationships, and class balancing applied. For the ANN model, meaning artificial neural network, the ANN model is inspired by the human brain and consists of multiple neural layers. Our ANN architecture contains input layer, dense layer with 64 neurons and ReLU activation, 30% dropout layer, dense layer with 32 neurons, 20% dropout layer, dense layer with 16 and 8 neurons. The output layer with sigmoid activation. The model was trained using Adam optimizer, binary cross entropy, Adam optimizer, and binary cross entropy loss, a loss function, and trained for 60 epochs.
Evaluation metrics. So in our evaluation metrics, we measured the overall corrections of the prediction through accuracy, precision, recall, F1 score, and confusion metrics. So the result comparisons on KNN, the accuracy hits 78%, the F1 score hits 82%, then the precision hits 80% and recall hits the 85%. And SVM, the accuracy hits 80%, precision hits 82%, and then recall hits 87%, And then F1 score is 84%. Then accuracy is 81%. F1 score 84%. Precision is 83%. And recall is 86%. So, based on this result, both SVM and ANN achieved the highest F1 score of 84%. So, all models also demonstrated strong recall values, meaning they were effective in identifying qualified loan applications. Like I said, SVM and ANN handled nonlinear relationships better and achieved highest accuracy. KNN affected by noisy data and scaling. In conclusion, the study successfully developed a loan approval prediction system using KNN, SVM, and ENN algorithm. Among these three models, SVM and ANM perform better than KNN because they are more capable of handling complex and nonlinear relationships with the dataset. The system demonstrate that machine learning can help improve efficiency, reduce bias, and speed up loan approval decisions. So next is we have to demonstrate the application, which is this. You have to wait because my laptop is laggy. So in this application, we have two data sets, which is to train our model or our app. So we click the train, then we click pre-process. So it pre-process the column. Then let's train the models so that you can see the model performance comparison here. And then we can predict the and then um the sample prediction is y. Then let's test it to our main test data. Then we need to click reprocess again. It says that this dataset loaded will be used for prediction. And then train model. We also see the model performance comparison. And the next is that can predict prediction, which is y. That's it. Thank you.